so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you apple banana smoothie. Okay, so remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sharing, guys. Thank you for following me on all social at Ann Booth. All right, thank you so much for your support so far. So let's dive right into the video. Apple banana smoothie. Here I have 2 apples, some strawberries, and a banana, kind of overripe, and I have a yogurt, some cubed ice, and I have some milk. I have some walnut, guys, that I will be using, some flaxseed also. So I'm gonna get started, and I have some cubed ice. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm gonna add the banana to the bullet. The banana is a little overripe, guys. So point to note, sometimes when the banana is overripe, we don't want to eat it, but we can make smoothie, banana bread, or whatever it is you want to make with it. Okay, I'm gonna add the strawberries. They are small so they can go without cutting up, and I have the apple. I'm gonna clean up as I go along and add them to it. I'm not gonna peel it, I'm just gonna add it with the skin. I'm gonna add some walnut. I'm gonna add some flaxseed. Some yogurt. I'm gonna add the ice cube, and then I'm gonna try and pour the milk. You can choose to use orange juice. I am using milk. This aside, and then I'm gonna cover it. I have it, guys, all done. My apple banana smoothie. I'm gonna glass this now. Look at it. So because the apple is red and the skin give it some little things in it, some little red things in it, but that's okay. So I'm gonna pour this out now. This look good, guys. This look good. Look at it. Look at the color. Let me put this aside. Look at it, guys. Let's taste this now. delicious. Delicious, guys. So I didn't put the agave in it today because the banana is overripe, and when the banana is overripe there's a lot of sugar in it. So the banana alone give it the sweetness. Okay, so so delicious, guys. Go ahead and try it, you will love it. So it's my apple banana smoothie. I use 2 apples, 1 banana, a yogurt, some walnut, chia seed, some milk, cube ice, and some strawberry, and voila, very tasty. I can have this right here now for my dinner. Yeah, it's so filling. You can go ahead and try it, guys. After a tired day from work, you can go ahead and whip up a smoothie instead of cooking any rice and whatever else. Go ahead and make a smoothie quickly for dinner. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you. Remember to like, share, and comment. Tell me what you think about this video, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.